If figure is like this, so it is a semicircle. It is a semicircle, all of you. Here where it is a radius, here radius center. So if you want to find area of this circle, so it will be pi r square upon 2, pi r square upon 2, because this is the half of circle. If you want to find circumference, so it will be pi r plus 2r. So circumference of a semicircle, so c is equal to pi r plus 2r. You have to remember this formula, pi r plus 2r, all of you, pi r plus 2r. This is the perimeter. All of you, one more thing you have to understand. If we divide circle in 4 parts, like we are cutting like this, so each part will be quadrant and 90-degree angle will be there. So this is the pi square by 4th part area. This is called quadrant. So you can find area like this also. You can find area of one quadrant and then you can multiply it by 4. And in ring type of question, if you have two concentric circles are the circles which have same center, like this, all of you. So this is radius r, this is radius capital R. So you have to find this area, this r minus r area. So how you will do? First of all, we are finding its area, so it will be area of ring, it will be pi r square minus r square, it will be, okay. How it come? Pi r square outer area minus inner area, so pi is coming common, so it will be r square minus r square. This is the required formula, all of you. This is the required formula, you have to remember. Now one question I am taking, other question we will do in our live class. One very good question I am taking, all of you. So question number 1, we are following NCERT exercise 12.1. I am doing exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1 I am doing, all of you. The radius of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. So all of you, we have given r1, it is 19 cm, and we have given r2, it is 9 cm. Yeah, it is 9 cm. Now we have to find the circumference of the circle whose circumference is sum of these two circle circumference. So let radius of required circle be r. Let radius of required means which we need, required circle be r, capital R I am taking. Then c is equal to c1 plus c2. So 2 pi r is formula of circle will always same, only values may be different. So it is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Sorry, it is circumference. I am writing formula of area. 2 pi r1 should be there and 2 pi r2. So all of you, 2 pi r, we can take 2 pi common in these two. So it is r1 plus r2. Now it may be cancelled out. This pi r will be, this 2 pi will be cancelled out with this. So r1 plus r2 will be left behind. So r is equal to 19 plus 9. It is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter will be the radii of the required circle, and this we have to find. All of you. So this is our required answer.